Earn money online. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a feature that allows Facebook users to buy and sell items with others in their local community. With over 1.3 billion users, Facebook Marketplace provides a new way of individuals and business to earn money online. In this article, we will explore how to use Facebook Marketplace to earn money online and provide some tips on how to maximize your earnings. Getting started with Facebook Marketplace. To get started with Facebook Marketplace, you need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, you can access Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon located in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You can then browse items that are available for sale or post items that you want to sell. Selling items on Facebook Marketplace. To sell items on Facebook Marketplace, you will need to take some photos of the item, write a description, and set a price. You can also choose to offer shipping options or arrange for local pickup. It is important to be honest about the condition of the item and provide clear photos and detailed description. To maximize your earning, you can also optimize your listing by using relevant keywords and attractive images. Buy items on Facebook Marketplace. In addition to selling items on Facebook Marketplace, you can also buy items from other users. You can browse items by category or search for specific items using keywords. When you find an item that you want to buy, you can message the seller to arrange for payment and pickup. It is important to be cautious when buying items from strangers online and to take steps to protect your personal information and finance. Maximizing your earning on Facebook Marketplace. To maximize your earning on Facebook Marketplace, there are a few tips that you can follow. First, focus on selling items that are in high demand such as electronics, furniture, or clothing. You can also offer discounts or bundle deals to incentivize buyers. Second, be responsive to message and inquiries from potential buyers and be willing to negotiate on price for shipping option. Finally, it is important to maintain a positive reputation by providing excellent customer service and being honest and transparent about the items you sell. Alternative to Facebook Marketplace. While Facebook Marketplace provides a new way to earn money online, it is not the only option available. Other online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon also provide opportunities for individuals and business to sell items online. When choosing a platform to sell on, it's important to consider factors such as fees, audience, and competition. Conclusion. In conclusion, Facebook Marketplace provides a new way for individuals and business to earn money online by buying and selling items with others in local community. By following some best practices such as focusing on high demand items, providing excellent customer service, and being transparent and honest, you can maximize your earning on Facebook Marketplace. While Facebook Marketplace is not the only option available for online selling, it provides a convenient and accessible way to earn money. Thank you.